Guys, do you remember the best case scenario I mentioned in my yesterday's video? The bulls actually managed to turn this best case scenario into a reality, and we are right now retesting the symmetrical triangle. At this exact moment we are retesting the symmetrical triangle that has a breakout target of $55,000. But guys, as you already saw yesterday probably, the bears suddenly stepped in at $51,000 and started to sell off the Bitcoin price. Why did this happen? I will show you in today's video, because the bears are actually forming a new bearish chart pattern on the smaller time frames. And if this bearish chart pattern breaks to the downside, this retest would definitely result in a fake out, and a drop down to $47,000 would be imminent. So if you don't want to miss out on this very important chart analysis, stick around till the very end of this video, because I will also share my complete game plan with my trades. As you guys know, I'm actually in almost $15 million of long positions at this exact moment, and I want to play the markets perfectly so I can get the maximum amount of profit out of those trades. So let's not talk too much, let's just jump right into the charts. As always guys, I would really appreciate it if we could reach 100 likes on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thank you very much guys that we already reached 1,000 subscribers after only 2 weeks of me starting this channel. I really appreciate it, and like I said, please leave a comment down below, and if you want to support me the max, just share this video with the share function of YouTube. This helps the algorithm the most. But let's not talk too much, let's just jump right into the charts. I'm pretty sure you want to know what bearish chart pattern I'm actually talking about. So far on the 4 hourly time frames, everything is looking good. I mean, this 4 hourly candle closes in 3 hours and 30 minutes. So the bears definitely have more than enough time to sell off this 4 hourly candle without a problem. But to know if this is going to end up in a sell-off, or if this 4 hourly candle may even reverse in the next few hours, we have to take a look at the smaller time frames, to be exact at the 1 hourly time frame. Because as you guys can already see on the 1 hourly time frame, we are forming a huge rising wedge, which is actually also retesting support at this exact moment. And I'm pretty sure that if the bears manage to close a 1 hourly candle below this rising wedge, the potential of us also closing the 4 hourly candle a little bit later, also as you can see, also below the symmetrical triangle support, which then turns into resistance again, I think the potential would then be extremely high, because we would also have some sort of a M pattern. The potential of a drop to $47,000 would be immense. So I would definitely make sure, if we see this bearish breakout, to take around 10% in profit. So I can already tell you a little bit about my game plan. If we see a 1 hourly candle close below this rising wedge, I'm closing 10% of my longs. If we see then a 4 hourly candle close below our symmetrical triangle support, I will close another 10%, and then I will leave the rest of my positions open, because I mean, even if this is a fake out, the bulls still have a huge potential of just breaking this to the upside maybe a few days later. So I wouldn't close all of my long positions at all. I wouldn't even close 25% of my long positions, even if we see this bearish scenario. But let's not focus on the bearish scenario too much, because like I said, I mean, right now we are retesting the support. For now the bulls are able to hold the support. So let's take a look what I'm going to when I'm going to scale up my positions, when I'm going to resize my trades, when I'm going to make them bigger again, and when do we have a guarantee of a continuation of this run-up. I am pretty sure that this will be very simple. If we see a 1 hourly candle close above the $50,350 level, I'm very confident that this retest is going to be successful, because on the 1 hourly time frame we would then form a massive, not a massive because it's only on the 1 hourly time frame, but we would form a very nice W pattern, sorry guys, a very beautiful W pattern on the 1 hourly time frame. And a breakout target of this W pattern would actually be, as you guys can see, the resistance of our rising wedge. So we could argue, okay, but this breakout out of this W pattern wouldn't be a guarantee that we will break out to the $55,000. But I see this a little bit differently, because as soon as we close hourly candles in this region of $51,000, we would also have insanely bullish we would have an insanely bullish 4-hourly candle close, as you can see. And as soon as we see that, the bigger time frames, the weekly candle and also the daily candle and also the 4-hourly candle would all look insanely bullish. And every trader that comes in with significant volume that actually moves the market is only looking at weekly chart, daily chart, and I mean, if you would even look at the 4-hourlies, but the people with the most volume look at the daily and the weekly chart. And we would have a very bullish weekly and daily chart if we see a breakout out of this W pattern to the upside. And this rising wedge on the 1-hourly time frame would get completely irrelevant, because the big time frames with the big volume would completely overshadow this bearish chart pattern. The bears would never have a chance to sell this symmetrical this rising wedge to the downside. So I'm pretty sure that as soon as we see a break of this neckline, a confirmed breakout, and we are reaching around $51,000, I'm pretty sure this run-up is going to get a huge boost again, and we will see a run-up to $55,000 in the very near future. I expect this to happen actually in the next couple of days. So in the middle of next week, we should already reach our price target if the bulls now manage to break this 1-hourly W pattern to the upside. But that's already it for now. I mean, the Bitcoin price is recovering live in my video. What I just mentioned is actually happening right now. So I want to upload this video as soon as possible, so nobody misses out on this opportunity to scale up their trades, and also nobody misses out on the breakout to the downside if the bulls don't manage to break the $50,350 level. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I would really appreciate it if you could smash up the like button. Let's reach 100 likes, like on every video, and make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below, and please make sure to share the video with your friends. That supports me the most and shows the YouTube algorithm that my channel actually produces quality content. But let's not talk too much. I will upload the video now. Maybe we see us in a second upload today, depending on what the Bitcoin price does, and otherwise we will see us tomorrow. As always, bye.